On October 4th, 1957, something unimaginable happened. The night sky, which had always been a symbol of mystery and awe, was about to be pierced by a new kind of star, one created not by nature, but by human hands. It was a moment that would forever alter the course of history. In a remote Soviet launch site, the world's first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, was preparing to defy gravity. As the countdown began, tension filled the air. A small metallic sphere, no bigger than a beach ball, held the key to a new frontier. The world held its breath, unaware that this single, seemingly insignificant object would launch an era of space exploration. The rocket rumbled to life. The ground shook, and with a roar that echoed across the cold Russian landscape, the Soviet Union's Sputnik 1 shot into the heavens. It was an event so surreal it felt like fiction, a tiny satellite sending radio signals back to Earth, orbiting the planet at a speed of 18,000 miles per hour. Yet, it was real. The first man-made object to break free of Earth's atmosphere, embarking on its endless journey around our world. But the launch wasn't just a technological marvel. It was the spark of the space race, an international battle for dominance in the final frontier. The United States, already uneasy about the growing power of the Soviet Union, was forced to face the harsh reality. Their rivals had beaten them to the stars. The Cold War tensions were about to skyrocket, both on Earth and in space. Sputnik 1's beeping signal became the soundtrack of a new era, an era where the sky was no longer the limit. It was the beginning of mankind's quest to conquer the cosmos, a quest that would eventually lead to the moon and beyond. But the first steps, the first victory, belonged to the Soviets. They had done the impossible. And as we look up at the stars today, we can still hear the faint echo of that beeping signal, reminding us of that pivotal moment when the world was forever changed. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps the channel grow, and together, we can explore even more stories that shape our world.